Hello friends, welcome to Learn Something for Victory channel. In this video, I am going to explain the main theme of my channel. This channel creates a single platform which provides the latest information. It helpful to all the teaching professionals, particularly those who are working in engineering institutions, all the students and job seekers. The major areas I am going to cover and give the latest updates are discussed one by one. Faculty positions. The latest faculty requirement notifications of various engineering colleges across the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Not only limited to these two states, if any requirement in premier institutions like IITs, NITs and different universities across the India are going to update through this channel. Now we are having so many popular websites which gives all the stuff in a bunch of mails. Always it is not possible to see the each and every mail and verify whether there are any suitable vacancies related to our specializations or not. Due to this reason, I am going to provide the latest information in a visual way to check the details in few minutes. Next, PhD notifications. In future, doctoral degree is an essential for all the faculty members, those who are working in various professional institutions. I am going to provide the latest notifications of different universities along with required information. In addition to this, I will update the information related to research fellowships offered by various organizations, universities and institutions. Government job alerts. The information is useful for all the job seekers looking to grab the opportunities across the country. I will provide the information related to latest notifications of various organization public sector units. Exam alerts. The information related to any competitive or entrance exams are going to update and provide the necessary things. This is very helpful to the students who are preparing for competitive or entrance exams. E-learning. In this pandemic situation, all are having awareness about the importance of learning through digital platforms. This channel provides the valuable information by discussing various major concepts related to technical as well as non-technical. But we are not only restricted to these particular areas and also provide a lot of stuff which may be helpful in future. The useful URLs and mail IDs related to the particular videos are given in the description itself. Please utilize this information if required. So friends, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon to get the latest updates as notifications. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share this information to your friends. Please provide your valuable feedback and suggestions in comment sections. Thank you for your support. Stay home, stay safe.